Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Humphrey Car Mechanic. I want to teach you how to know about the good belt adjuster and the bad belt adjuster. This thing I'm holding now is belt adjuster. As you can see, this one is turning, is not good, is bad. Look at this one. This one is good. As you can see, it's very strong. It cannot turn. That's what will make the belt to have tension. This one that is bad, if you put it inside your car, that one that is turning, this one is very good. That one that, so if you put it inside your car, after doing adjustment, you'll be hearing the sound of belt. Peep, 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 peep. That's the problem of this one. So it's not good. There's no way you can adjust your belt tight. So thank you for watching. Wait for our more videos. Follow us on YouTube, Humphrey Car Mechanic. God bless you. Thank you for watching.